Hey, you have one. This is KIDAAX. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you are an existing subscriber, you are highly welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload your music to Audiomack properly, and this will be a step-by-step guide for those that don't know how to upload their music on Audiomack, or those who don't know how to do it properly. So I'll be showing you in this video. Make sure you stick to the end. You pay full attention to this. So let's dive into the video straight away. So the first thing is you have to make sure you have an account on Audiomack. So you have to make sure you have an account on Audiomack. I'll drop the link to create an account on Audiomack in the description. So you click the link and sign up to Audiomack. Once you sign up, then you log in. The next step to do is to click on upload. So basically, if you are watching this and you actually want to do this on your phone through the Audiomack app, you can't do this on the Audiomack app. You have to do it on a website, but you can actually do it on your phone. You can do it on your phone too, so no worries, you can do it on your phone. But I'm using a laptop to show you this, but it's the same step. Just make sure you follow step by step and you are good to go. So you have to select your upload type over here, a song. You have to release an album or EP, and if it's a podcast or something else that is not musical. So I'm uploading this song, and I click on next. So now is to upload your music. You can drop and drag, and you can browse your files to change the music. So let me try this. Okay, my track is uploading. You have to be patient for this to upload, and then uploaded, processing. So over here, we have to import the necessary information: the artist name KIDAAX, the song title. Let's just say Audiomack tutorial, the song title. For example, let's say the producer. Let's say the random name. Let me say Kudos featuring, let me see Rahman. Then it shows if the song is explicit or it's a clean music. So over here, those of us that didn't understand what explicit or clean is, you can actually see that on Google, because if I explain, you might still not understand. So any song that has words that are not supposed to be listened to by people younger than 18 or so, or words that are not so, that have vulgar meanings or something, that's just on Google, right? And let me just say this song has an explicit lyrics or something. Then you put your genre over here. And at this genre, I don't think it really matters about your genre or anything, but you know the genre you are in, you put a genre, a sub-genre, the modes, angry, chill, dark, feeling, and so on. I'm actually not choosing any. So yeah, you add your artwork, minimum of 500-900 pixels. It can be in JPEG or PNG. So let's add square, yeah, and move to the next step. Okay, So over here you can add like a description to your song over here, and let me just say interesting interesting music, sweet to the ears, good for the soul. Just for example though. And yeah, you check this if you want to monetize your music. So I'm monetizing my UPC, your ISRC and accounting code. So UPC is actually a code, a unique code for the music, and ISRC is also a unique code which I think is linked to monetization and all. So without these codes, the song is not like unique. So the codes are unique codes assigned to only one song. I hope you get me. You can make your research on UPC and ISRC. I made a video on that like 3 years ago back. You can check my old videos on UPC and ISRC. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, I think that there is additional metadata. So here is the sound recording copyright owners. Let me see. Mostly most of these recording copyright are owned by the artist or the record label. So it depends on the kind of ownership you have to the music. Producer name, KLEIN, let me say KIDAAX, KLEIN, that is publisher. Producer, I will say name is Porter. Just for example, the release dates. My advice is always like not to make this thing live like immediately when you're doing it. So you can make the release dates like a week or 2 weeks. Let me see, February 14. And the label name, let's say KIDAAX. Musicians, distributors, songwriters, publishers, music work copyright owners, and just make sure you input all these informations. You know, I'm actually not uploading any music right now. The songwriter and all the copyright owners, music works names, and boom. Click on next step, and here you can just change your link name. Maybe you don't want yours to be unique, and just make it 80 Audiomack tutorial. Then that is the last step. Then I don't want it to be public for now, so I can still make some changes if I have any mistake. So I always advise you to put this in private, then check it out, and then later release it to public. You can also put it in schedule or premium access. For the best option I could like recommend, then you click on finish. So your upload is complete. Post it private, share your link privately with the custom link, and so on. So that's just how to upload your music to Audiomack properly. If this helps, you find it very helpful, let me know in the comment section, and let me know the kind of problem you are facing. I might be able to solve it, or any other subscriber might be able to solve it for you. Let us know in the comments if you face any problem while doing this. hit on the like button, share to other artists too, so they can benefit from this. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'm saying peace until meet in the next video.